I'm in Bridgeland at the model home of Coventry Homes, and I'm gonna take you on a tour. We're starting this tour off in the kitchen. We have a gray style theme with the countertops and cabinets with a white and kind of a different shade of gray on the backsplash. Actually, the countertops, two different designs here. We have the white colored quartz, and then we've got the gray style quartz on the island with farmhouse sink. Who doesn't love that? This is a living room, 2-story. So we have the high ceilings overlooking the back patio. You're entertaining. We've got an outdoor grill built in for all your barbecue needs. Butler's pantry. This is the laundry room right off the kitchen. Plenty of storage space in here. Walking into the formal dining room. And then before we go into the primary bedroom, I'll show you one more thing that I love. Your very own wine cellar. Who doesn't want one of those? Whether you drink wine or you want it just for aesthetic reasons, this is pretty cool. And although it doesn't come with one, you may be able to get custom. There's definitely plenty of room for a wine cooler. All right, into the primary bed. This one features the bay windows, which I always like. It just makes it look bigger and just adds extra accent as opposed to just having a flat wall. Okay, here's the primary bathroom. Dual vanity, separate tub, and shower. And then a huge bathroom, or huge closet. It goes all the way around on both sides. You can see it goes around over here, and they have a lot of their design options in here for storage, but there's plenty of storage space. All right, let's head upstairs. So right when you walk upstairs, you've got the game room. Walk a little further. It's a guest bedroom and guest bath. A little tribute to Audrey Hepburn. And then one thing I really like, you see this in a lot of the models. I just love what they do with the accent on the lighting, the chandeliers. Okay, keep going through. We have the media room. A Jack and Jill bathroom. And then we have another upstairs bedroom. Above the accent wall. And I'll take you downstairs and show you the front guest bedroom. And one last stop, we're gonna go check out this outdoor kitchen. Outdoor kitchen is definitely a must-have. Whatever Jamie and I decided to upgrade our house. Love grilling. Want to be able to hang out outside. You're entertaining and have everything you need. So this definitely does with the TV. You got the grill, you got the sink, everything you need. So come check us out at either Facebook, Instagram, and of course at the Model Home in Bridgeland.